In business, constructing an efficient workflow is similar to assembling the gears of a finely tuned machine. Each part of the machine must fit perfectly together for it to work flawlessly. Similarly, a workflow encompasses a series of interconnected tasks that contribute to achieving specific goals and communication. By understanding workflow settings, you can make automation a breeze. Now we can cover our workflow settings. Allow re-entry allows people to enter the workflow multiple times after they have left the workflow. Stop on response will stop the workflow for a contact if a contact responds to a message that is sent from this workflow. You are able to choose your time zone here. You can choose a specific time window for messages to send if you don't want your messages from the workflows to send at odd hours of the day. And here you can customize your sender details so that you don't have to pull this into every email that you send within a workflow. You can do this easily by selecting a custom value, like from name or from email. You can also choose to have your conversations auto-mark as read. If this is on, this will mark every single conversation that comes in from this workflow as read, and you will not see a notification in your Conversations tab. Under Enrollment History, you'll be able to view each contact in your workflow and what step they are currently on, the next execution, and every detail about where they are at in the workflow. Under Execution Log, you can see every step executed in chronological order for all contacts. At the top is where you can rename your workflow. Only you will be able to see this. Overall, understanding workflow settings is important for a thriving and efficient operation. Like well-fitted components in a finely tuned machine, these settings determine how tasks flow, resources are utilized, and how seamless your automation is. By recognizing the significance of workflow settings, businesses can adapt swiftly to changes, optimize productivity, and achieve outstanding outcomes. Harness the power of well-defined workflow settings to drive success and propel your business forward.
That's it! Make sure to follow any lesson instructions below and mark this as complete to keep moving forward.